Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a topic that's crucial for anyone seeking financial support through grant applications. We'll be exploring the best strategies for demonstrating financial need effectively. So, if you're ready to learn how to make your grant application stand out, let's get started. Before we delve into the specifics, let's first understand why demonstrating financial need is crucial in grant applications. Grant providers want to ensure their funds are allocated to those who truly require assistance. By showcasing your financial need effectively, you increase your chances of securing the grant. One of the key aspects of demonstrating financial need is providing solid evidence to support your claims. This includes documents such as tax returns, bank statements, and any other financial records that showcase your current financial situation. Have you ever applied for a grant before? What kind of documentation did you find most useful in demonstrating your financial need? Beyond the numbers, it's essential to craft a compelling narrative that highlights the challenges you face due to financial constraints. Personal anecdotes or stories can add a human element to your application and make a stronger case for why you need financial assistance. How do you plan to incorporate your personal story into your grant application? Many grant applications have specific criteria or questions related to financial need. Take the time to understand these requirements thoroughly and tailor your responses accordingly. Address each criterion with clarity and precision. Have you encountered any challenging questions related to financial need in grant applications? How did you tackle them? Grant providers want to see how their funds will make a difference in your life or the community. Clearly outline how receiving the grant will impact your goals and aspirations. Additionally, articulate your plans for utilizing the funds responsibly. What are some ways you plan to utilize the grant funds to achieve your objectives? Demonstrating financial need in a grant application requires careful planning, documentation, and storytelling. By following these strategies, you can effectively showcase your financial circumstances and increase your chances of securing the support you need. Remember, each application is an opportunity to share your unique story and make a compelling case for why you deserve the grant. So, don't hesitate to put your best foot forward. Before we wrap up, don't forget to visit our website, easycashtrend.com, for more valuable resources and information on accessing grants that never need to be paid back. Also, click the link below to learn more about how you can unlock opportunities for financial assistance. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And as always, feel free to leave your questions and comments below. We love hearing from you. Until next time, stay informed and empowered. See you soon.